What would I say? Merry Christmas to every Nigerian wherever they are. I know we have been having some difficult times in every transition government, every transitional stage. You know, we have just left a government that could be regarded as one of the worst governments in this country. That one headed by Muhammadu Buhari. So I know, particularly the subsidy issue, which they have been playing politics with. We are happy that President Tinubu had got the courage and the wisdom to, to set it aside, to abolish it. This was what was killing Nigeria. The only thing was that he did not prepare for it. And but he's coping with it. So all that I would like to say, pray to all Nigerians that in every difficult situation, good things will come. So I wish every Nigerian to be patient, cope with the situation. Let's give Mr. President a chance to perform. He has set up a good team, but all that we are saying, I pray and I plead with Mr. President to carry every Nigerian along with him in his appointments, in the appointment of board members, appointment of ministers, everything. Nigerians are Nigerians. There is no division. If people are going to be discriminated against, then we have no Nigeria. Another point we would like to make is that Mr. President, you take up to restructure this country. No restructuring of this country will not unite Nigeria. Nigeria is divided today because some people feel they are second-class citizens in their own country, while others regard themselves as first class. That's not the country. This happened in South Africa, and we helped South Africa to fight the war. That's how Mandela came into power. Let that be a lesson to us that Nigerians came together in 1940, were united, were amalgamated, but not as one first class or one second class, equal citizens of this country. So I pray to Mr. President, in his appointment, in his distribution of amenities, infrastructure, structures, and so on, he should remember that he's the father of Nigeria. He's the number one Nigerian. A father does not discriminate among his children. Otherwise, I wish him and the rest of Nigerians Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We all pray for a united Nigeria where every son and daughter will aspire to the highest position in this country, where everybody will get admission to university not because of favoritism but on merit. So once again I say I'm happy we are still united and we should continue to unite. One, there's equity, fair play and justice. Thank you and God bless you. Does that satisfy you? Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Very okay, sir. Very satisfied. Thank you.
What do you represent?
AIT.
What do you represent? Thank you. I'm two of you, though.
Yes.
You can give to the others.
Yes, we will share with our
Okay.
colleagues.
So,